What's up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make this simple sweater. So let's get started. For this sweater, you fold your fabric into 4 places and then you mark out 3 inches from the top part. So I've marked out 3 inches, and then you take the desired length of your sweater. For mine, I'm using 29 inches, and then I added 2 inches to it, so I have 31 inches. The next step is to come over here on this line and take your neck circumference. For my neck circumference, I have 16 inches, and then you divide that by 4. So I have 4 inches. So it's your neck circumference divided by 4. And then I'll add ½ inch to the 4 inches. And then I'll bring the line up like this. And then on this line, I'll mark 1 inch. And then I'll draw a curved line on this spot like this. And then connect this line to this line. And then you go ahead and connect the neckline to the 1 inch mark here. On this 1 inch mark, you take your arm circumference and you divide it by 2. For mine, I have 12 inches. And then I divided it by 2, so I have 6 inches. So I'll mark it here. So it's from the 1 inch mark, you take your bicep measurement divided by 2. So I have 6 inches. I'll go ahead and notch it. To get the body measurement, you divide your bust measurement by 4. And then you just go ahead and add 6 inches to it. You can add 5 inches or you can even add 7 inches. So I have 15 inches for the entire body. Again, it's your bust measurement divided by 4 plus 6 inches. So I have 15 inches. And then I'll go ahead and cut out the neckline and the shoulder line. Next step is to cut out the sleeve. For the sleeves, you fold your fabric into 4 places. And then the next step is to take the measurement from the mid shoulder to the sleeve. So I have 31 inches. So it's a measurement from the middle of your shoulder to your sleeve. And then you go ahead and remove 15 inches for the body of the sweater. And then mark out 31 inches, which is the length of my sleeve. And then add 2 inches to it for the hem of the sleeve. So on the top part, you take your arm circumference. So I have 12 inches. You divide that by 2. I have 6 inches. And then I'll just add ½ inch to it. So on the bottom part, you take your wrist circumference. For mine, I have 8 inches. You divide that by 2. And then I have 4 inches. And then I'll go ahead and add ½ inch. You connect the wrist line to the arm circumference. And then you go ahead and cut. And then you notch this part of the sleeve. The next step is to join your sweater together. So with the right sides facing each other, you go ahead and sew from here down to this place, and then from here down to this place. So after joining the shoulders together, I'll just go ahead and snip it. Snip around the neckline. Do it on both sides. So after snipping the neckline and the shoulder line, you take your sleeve, you take the notched part, and then with the right sides facing each other, you pin it to the shoulder line. And then you can pin the entire sleeve. So after pinning the notched part of the sleeve to the shoulder line, you go ahead and sew from here down to this place, and then you do the same for the other sleeve. So after joining the sleeves to the sweater, we're going to join the sides of the sweater. So you pin the armholes together, and then you sew from here down to the end of the sweater. So after joining it, this is what you have. For the neckline, you fold it in with 1 inch and then you stitch on both sides. Lastly, you hem the sleeves and then you hem the bottom of the sweater. And that's it. So here's the sweater. Please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. I love you for watching. Thank you.